So here's where I'm at now. I'm not sure if you saw the before of the first video, but everything was all put together. I took the radiator relocate off the front rack, took the front rack off, took the winch off, which it was broken, so it's getting replaced in the near future, and took the cover off the front here, the front bumper, and the little cover on this side. What you see there is the front differential. I have to pull that out. The bearings inside are shot, so my battery is about dead on my camera, so I'll probably mess with it a little bit more. But that is what I'm trying to figure out how to get out next. So, for one day, I don't think that was bad at all.